The question says if P equals the square root of QR into 1 plus 3t over R, we should make R the subject of the formula, okay? So we are planning to bring R to be the subject of this expression. So what do? Solution. So for P equals the square root of QR, okay, into 1 plus 3t over R, okay. So what do? So the first thing we do, let us try to eliminate the square roots, okay. And to do that, we have to take the square of both sides, okay. So by doing that, this becomes P square equals, for this will eliminate this. So we have QR, okay, 1 plus 3t over R, okay. So when we look at this, let us focus with what we have in the brackets, okay. So for what we have in the brackets, we have it as 1 plus, okay, 3t over R. So let us work out this, okay, by using the LCM method. So for 1 in R is still R, is multiplying this, okay. Here is 1, is multiplying t. So that means we can write this as this, okay. So here we have this as P square equals QR into, so let's replace it with this, okay. So we have R plus 3t over R, okay. So here, when we look at this, we have R is common, okay. So here we have this can simplify this, okay, since it's common. So let us write this as P square equals Q, okay, into R plus 3t, okay. So let us distribute this with Q, where equals Q times R is QR, okay, plus Q times 3t is 3QT, okay. So let us subtract 3QT from both sides, okay. So when we do that, we have this as P square minus 3QT equals QR, okay. And since we are looking for R as a subject, so let us divide both sides by Q, okay. So when we do that, okay, we have just R, so we can now say R equals P square, okay, minus 3QT divide Q. Or we have it as this, okay, since we have P square over Q minus 3QT over Q, okay. So this can still be, so you can still have this as P square over Q, okay. So this can simplify this, so we can have this as minus 3t over 1, okay, which is R. Thank you very much.